The haul is huge and I might have to split it into 2 parts. So here we are with yet another haul, and if you guys want to see a huge haul, it's a collective haul, it's not like entirely from Nykaa or Amazon or Sugar or anything like that. So it's a collective haul, and let's just get started. So I've made this list for everything that I want to show you guys, or else I know I'll forget. So let's just start with some stuffs that I got from Amazon. So first I'm going to show you the books. So I got this book. This is called Ikigai and I got it as a gift for someone. So this says the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. So I really like how this book looks. I've heard a lot about it and I hope this book is good. I'm sorry you're going to hear a lot of sound because I think my neighbors are moving something. I don't know. So yeah, I think this is going to be a great book. I'll leave all the links for these products down in the description box below so you can check this out. And next I got, like, a lot of you has asked me about this book. So this book I actually got from airport and you can get it in Amazon also. If I find the link, I'll link it down below. This book is called Death and it says in here that a book for all those who shall die. So that's basically everyone. So I got really intrigued by this book. I have heard about this, I have heard stories and I do follow Sadhguru a lot. So I did hear about this book and things that he has to say about death. So I really wanted to explore it more and I got this book, and this book is so interesting. It is damn interesting. Like, it will change your perspective about death and life both, and so good. If you're into these stuff and if you want to explore spirituality and life and all of that, then you can get this book. Next I got The Alchemist. Yes, I haven't read Alchemist and yeah, I started reading it. So I got this from Crossword actually, and this is this is how the book actually looks like with its cover on. It's a limited edition and I could not resist myself, but I took that orangey cover off because I didn't want it to get ruined and like torn off. So I have kept the hardcover only. The hardcover is also like really beautiful. It has this gold detailing in here. So yeah, and I love the size. It's like a little small diary. And I did start reading it and so far it's interesting. And I really want to finish this book as soon as possible. I have a lot of book lined up and yeah. So then from Amazon I got 2 planners. So the first one is this one, and this says my planner for world domination. I love this one. So these, I'm not going to show you the pages I have already written. So this is a basic planner. I did not want a lot of, you know, things going on in my planner. I get really messed up if that's the case. So it's a very nice, simple daily planner. I normally write my content, ideas and details in here. And I love stationery. I love painting. And I'll just link one of my painting that I did yesterday here. Not link. I'll just show the picture of the painting that I did here. I touched a painting brush after 4 years and it felt so good and so therapeutic. I'm getting my paint supplies when I'm going back. And this is the second planner and this says dreams don't work out unless you do. So yeah, these are like motivating quotes and all. I got another one that was for gifting and I think I already gave it to that person, but still I'll link it down below and I'll write down which one did I get. They have a lot of options according to the covers and what you want to get. They have cookie codes, they have like very professional looking ones also, and they are quite inexpensive, so I really like them. I love the page quality of it overall. So moving on to essentials from Nykaa, I got these 2 from Nykaa or Amazon, somewhere from Nykaa or Amazon. I'll just link down below the one which is giving it on cheaper price. Since the lockdown started, I've used the Savlon one and I love it because it does not have any like weird fragrance or like gassy fragrance. By gassy, I don't mean like fart like. It is like it doesn't create a gas which makes you uncomfortable breathing. So I really like this one. But for a change, I thought of trying the Dettol one. This is the pine flavor and I do not like this. This has that gassy feeling to it and you can't sniff it, it will feel like coughing. So for me it's a no, and I love this one. So if you guys are looking for instant spray, go for this. Now talking about a little bit of makeup. So I got these two palettes from Foreign Makeup India. Now from Foreign Makeup India, I have got my Sephora kit and Colourpop makeup and all of that stuff. So I'll mention the card here if you haven't watched the Sephora lip kit haul. So I got these two palettes. Now this one, Priyanka Di also got it. I think she got it from Cuffs and Lashes, but I got it from Foreign Makeup India. So this sadly is made in China, but it's okay, I got it from someone who is Indian. So yes, this is the palette. Now it has 4 color ranges and this is the green palette, this is the orange one. It has glitters also. Then there's this gorgeous blue purples. So this is a decent palette. If you guys want a review on this stuff, then I can do it. Let me know if you want a review or not. By the way, this retails for 2100 rupees only. And the next stuff is face and body painting palette. So this is oil based. Again, I got it from her, from Foreign Makeup India. So this is the palette. This is all cream products for body painting. And I know body painting, and though I prefer aqua, but yeah, this works. I'll probably get a Kryolan palette after this, which is aqua. I mainly got this for my Instagram looks. So I'm putting up this post today. So if you want to check out my other post, go there. Please go and follow me on my Instagram. I create very different content in there and I hope you guys will like it. While I'm at it, make sure that you subscribe to my channel also and hit the bell icon and like, comment, share. So anyway, moving on. Yes, let me just talk about nail paints right now. So I discovered this brand, Yes Nail Paints. So these are the nail paints that I have been wearing non-stop. These are the ones that I have on my nails. This is the shade that I have and this is the color. Every shade that I got is under 100 rupees, 89 or like 95 rupees. And I have 5 shades of them. And honestly, I'm not buying any other brand after I've tried this. These are so good. Like I have this nail paint on. Like I have these nail paint on for like 2 weeks. And look at this, none of it have like chapped. I'll show you the shades that I have. So this one is called Almond Biscotti. Then this one is called Magic Potion. I love this shade. This is such a beautiful shade. Beautiful brownish, like almost it is a terracotta, and it is called Dusty Dawn. And then I have a matte nail paint. Now let me tell you, I've tried a lot of matte nail paints from a lot of brand, and after 2 days thing is gone and it's like shiny nail paint. I don't know why that happens. It happens with Nykaa nail paints also, but these are super good. And this shade is You Are My Bae. And there's this shade. It is so beautiful. It's called Fresh Water. It's a beautiful blue and I love this. I love the entire nail paint range. And of course, to take your nail paint off, you need to have a nail remover. Now I have been using this Cara wipes, nail paint removing wipes for years, and I haven't switched to any other nail paint. I love them. They don't harm my nails, because normally whenever I use this, liquid ones, acetones, my nails get super dry and flaky, and I don't like the effect of it. So I have been using this for years and years and years, and I love it. Coming back to the brand TS, I also got their shower caps. Now I normally use the Fiyama shower caps, but I can't find them anywhere online or offline. So I got these shower caps and they're like pretty basic, and I'm using one of them and I have 2 left. So let's see how long it lasts. Then I got this Veet one. This is the ready to use full body waxing kit. Now I have never used this. I normally shave. Do you guys want me to try this? Haven't even tried this. And so these are these. So it's the strip one, not like the cream one. It's really gross. So yeah, I got this one. So you apply it and you pull it off and it's done basically. But I haven't really used them. So I don't know. Should I do it on camera? Please let me know. Like we can do a first impressions or something like on them. Okay, then from Nykaa I got this Dot and Key. This is the AHA/BHA exfoliant serum. I love the packaging, and this is how the bottle looks like. So if you guys want me to review this or something, I'll probably review this anyway. Next thing is MAC's Paint Pot. So I have used MAC's Paint Pot earlier in my makeup school and I loved it, and this is in the shade Soft Ochre. So this is basically eye base and you're supposed to use it before your eyeshadow and all. I love this product. Now I shopped a lot from Sugar Cosmetics, but half of them are from Nykaa and half of them are from their own website. So I think for the first part I'll just show you few products that I got from Nykaa. So these 3 products I got from Nykaa. All of them are Sugar Cosmetics. I'm planning to do a full face of Sugar Cosmetics and trying more of like Indian brands. So this one is the Powder Play Translucent Compact. This is how it looks. Pretty basic. I like the packaging. It's like very simple, nothing extra going on. And so the powder is white in color and it also has like this nice mini puff. I have already tried this once, like of course. You think I'm not gonna touch it after I get a new makeup, and it has this nice little mirror also, and we'll talk more about the products later when I review them. Then I got the concealer. So I could not find my concealer shade anywhere, like they were out of stock or something. Yeah, they were out of stock, and then I went to a store and they did not have the tester for this shade, but the girl told me that this is my shade, and the shade was Vanilla Latte, and this is how the shade looks. So I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's a little bit too light for my skin. Maybe a highlighting concealer. And then I got the blush stick. I have all the sticks like from their face forward range. I only did not have the blush stick, so I got this one, and this is in the shade Mauve Marble. So this is how the shade looks like. It's super pretty. I'm not giving you any swatches in this video because we are going to see and test these products later in so many videos. So then from Nykaa I got this K-Beauty powder. I got this around a month ago. I don't remember if I showed this to you guys or not, but yeah, this is the K-Beauty loose powder. I love the outer packaging also. I kept it. So this is how the powder looks like. It has all the K logo in here, and I have the shade Vanilla, and the shade is perfect for me. So I love this powder. I've used this a lot, and you can see it has this sieve in here, and the cap also has this round thing which pushes the extra product down like back to the jar, which is such a genius move, because honestly we always spill powders and they are all over the packaging. I do not like this. I might do a comparison video of this and maybe the Fit Me one. And for the products, I'm not saying the MRP or something, is because I want to finish this one or else it's going to be very big. So now next from Nykaa, Tampons is there on Nykaa, and I am a tampon girl. I love using tampons. They're so comfortable and they just work for me. So I got this whole pack. Basically I did not get this for me. I got this for someone else because I want everyone to try tampons. But yes, this is Tampons. And if you're into tampons or if you want to try tampons, the link will be down below. And this has the applicator in it, which I do not use tampons without applicators. It does not make sense. Ugh. Anyway, so yeah, this is Tampons. So I think I'll show the bag, which I love. So I'll show the bag in my next video. Don't worry, it's not too far. It's just coming on Tuesday. So it's just like back to back. I'm releasing 2 hauls. So don't worry about that. So yes, I probably will show you the shoes for this one. The shoes are from Catwalk. I feel I'm cursed by Catwalk because like literally for last 2-3 years I'm only buying Catwalk. I don't know why. I go to the store and I don't like any other shoe and I go and end up buying a Catwalk shoe. God knows why. So the same happened and I got Catwalk shoes. I really like these shoes, and guess how much I got them for? Only 999. So yes, they were on sale and I got this shoe, and I'll insert a picture where I'm wearing them. So yeah, I got this one and I really like it. And this has this heel, so I cannot do pencil or stilettos. I will like fall the second I'm wearing them. So my things are platform heels or like these, you know. They are very comfortable and I like them. So I think now it's time to go.